Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we will go through how to edit model in Ultimaker Cura. So first, let's go and open the Cura and open your 3D file. So how we open the 3D file or object, we go here to the top left corner where you see file and then open files and then search on your computer where you have your file. Now you will see that the object file is placed right here on this plate. Now what we need to do is just click on this object and a blue outline will appear around it and the toolbar on the left side will unlock. You will see right here. Now click on any of the icons on the left menu to change your model. So we have move option here. Click and drag the blue, red or green arrow to slide your model around the print bed. So if we drag this one, it will move like so. Then what we have is a scale. Change the size of your object. You can drag the handles of or type a percentage like 200 right here to make it double the size. So we can do this, for example, as you can see now it's too big. Oh, so it's really, so you need to be really precise doing that. Can I do that? Yeah, as you can see, it's really big if I put 0.5. Then what we have the rotation. So we can click this circular loops to spin your object. And what we have here, you see these green, red and blue circles. So we can now basically rotate the whole object however we want, as you can see, like that. Then we have here blue one. So it's just different like that. Now if I turn this, you see how it looks right here. So if I do this, you can see that it's turning around. Then what else we have is mirror, so some kind of mirroring. This flip your object completely upside down or backward. So let's look like that. So you can see now what I'm doing here. So it's basically doing that stuff. Okay, so we have then some advanced editing options. So you will use this if you want to alter how specific parts of the model print you will use these extra tricks. So if an object, for example, is too tall for your printer, you can slice off the bottom. So how you will do that is basically you will select Move tool and then you will type a negative number into z-axis. So for example, minus 20 millimeters. The bottom of your model will sink below the virtual uh, build plate. As you can see here, it's a little synced. And this will print only the part sitting above the grid. So it will print everything what's right here. So let me just move. So it will start basically from here, from the eyes. Now you can make also a specific section of your model stronger or hollow. So you can click on support blocker. So let's do this one. So this one here on the left side, this support blocker, like that. Now click on your model to place a gray cube on the screen. So like so, as you can see right here, we have this gray box now. Resize and move that cube so it covers the area you want to change. So we can, let's say, do something like that. As you can see here. Now you can click also per model settings icon, fit icon down on the left menu. This one here. And you can select infill or wall settings. Anything inside that gray cube will now print differently than the rest of the object. And yeah, this is basically everything you need to know about how to edit model in Ultimaker Cura. You also need to know that this program is not the design program, but it's basically just a slicer. So a tool to prepare files for printing. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next